Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys I am going to show you guys your phone languages setting in your Realme phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you set guys your Hindi language. So, friends, you want to set guys Hindi language. So guys how can you set in your Realme phone, and guys how can you use guys Hindi language setting in your Realme phone. In this video guys I will show you friends. So first of all guys open your phone setting to set your Hindi language. Then guys you can see this type of setting, then guys scroll it. Guys click on system settings, language setting guys, tap here, and guys you can see add a language. So I tap here, and guys find guys where is Hindi language guys, you can set from here. So as you can see we have this Hindi language. So I tap here, and guys you can see set Hindi as the default system. Yes, we want to set. So as your Hindi language will set automatic from here. So as you can see guys, now everything is in Hindi. So as you like Hindi, so guys go and like my video, subscribe my channel. So as you can see guys, your Hindi language is setting in your Realme phone guys. So as you can use guys your Hindi language setting. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video.